welcome back to Recreate U's Best Start. Our topic in this session is one of our 4 specific areas of development, mathematics or maths. Maths helps children to understand how things work around them, and young children engage spontaneously in maths during nearly half of every minute of free play. Maths is split into 2 strands, number and numerical patterns. The maths curriculum in early years will consist of learning about comparison, counting, cardinality, composition, spatial awareness, shape, pattern, and measures. If that sounds like a lot of big mathematical words, don't worry. There are explanations of all these concepts in the booklet that accompanies the session. Maths in the early years used to focus on the numbers to 20, but now strongly focuses on the importance of gaining a really deep understanding of numbers up to 10, including the patterns and relationships between these numbers, and on developing spatial reasoning skills. Spatial reasoning skills means understanding objects' position and size in relation to each other. In daily life, this includes things like packing a bag to go on holiday or finding your way around a new place on a map. Learning in the EYFS must be very visual, and children must really know the numbers to 10 inside out, including their numerical patterns. A top tip to supporting your child's learning is to still count forwards and backwards to 20 at home, but make sure your child is secure in counting out loud to 10 and counting objects to 10 first. Maths can be identified and taught in every moment of our lives. Easy activities to help your child learn about maths at home include looking at house numbers, looking at bus numbers, finding shapes around you, counting out loud and counting objects, cooking and measuring food together, pointing out the numbers on the clock, counting out money at the checkout, finding the TV channel on the remote control together, and measuring our own heights and weights. There are lots of fantastic opportunities for children to learn in everyday life. You can also help your child learn about maths by sensitively joining in with what your child is doing while they're playing and commenting on interestingly shaped objects like vegetables, wooden pegs, spoons, pans, corks, cones or balls. Using pots and pans or boxes and objects to put them in. Using toys like shape sorters and stacking cups, doing things like hiding one of them, building them up into a tower, nesting them or lining them up can all help your child to learn about their spatial awareness. Other ways to support your child's maths learning at home include singing songs and reading books with repeating, rhyming or rhythmic numbers, playing simple board games, card games and puzzles with shapes and numbers like Snap or matching pairs or dominoes, playing outside games like I Spy, Hopscotch, Skittles and What's the Time, Mr. Wolf, and playing or singing music at different speeds. Make it fun and get moving. Before your child starts school, it's a good idea to practice together and find out if they can say 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, count up to 10 objects, put them in different patterns and count them again, recognise the written numbers up to 10, use words to compare things like more, less, greater or smaller, make simple patterns and talk about them, name shapes such as circle, square and triangle, and use words to describe where things are, like over, under or next to. That's it for video 4. Remember, you'll also be receiving a booklet full of information and activities before the session. Read through it, and if you still have any questions, make sure to write them down and bring them in to ask our facilitator. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.